Hi, myself Pramod Kumar Yadav. I am from Janakpur, Nepal. Currently, I am pursuing BTech third year from Madanpalli Institute of Technology and Science. I completed my 12th from Model Multiple College from Janakpur, Nepal, and 10th from Sri Bilad Shah Sarbodaya Madhyamik Vidyalaya Sinojoda from Janakpur, Nepal. I am good in C, Python, Java, and SQL. I have done a group project on BPO management system, and I worked as a team leader and also designer. And also I done a small mini project on Notepad editor. I work as a primary level teacher in Tridev English Secondary Boarding School from 2014 July to 2017. And I also work as a junior level counselor in Window World International Education Foundation Private Limited from 2015 to 2017. I have participated in different activities like public speaking, paper presentation, and fashion show. I was born in 1994, December 23. I know 5 different languages like English, Nepali, Hindi, Maithili, and Bhojpuri. And my Gmail ID is pramodkumar.yadav341 @gmail.com. Thank you.